I started taking my curls down. I wanted to say good morning to everyone and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all of your support. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing my videos, and for commenting on the videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on, what you waiting on? Join the Jean G family. This may take me a while, so I will be speeding this video up. And I might not show you the complete takedown because I think this is going to be a tedious task. But I will show you the final results. And I can already tell that it's going to be really curly. So I may have another short look today. All right, guys, so this is 2 of them taken down. That's 2. I'll be back to show you the rest or the results. I just had to come back and let you see what this hair was doing as a result of this pipe cleaner braids. There's so much curl. It makes my hair look shorter and fuller. Looks like a bob. It's just coming out so well. Now I want you to notice that the only thing I'm doing is taking these braids out. And then those curls are doing exactly what it wants to do. If you notice, I did not take that last braid completely out. I wish I could tell you that there was a rhyme or reason to it, but I think I'm going to leave it that way. I am pushing these up a little bit, but I definitely like this hairstyle. It reminds me of seeing some people with the crochet braids. That's what it reminds me of. I like it a lot. It took me over 20 minutes to take these braids out, all of the braids out of my hair. It took maybe about the same amount of time for me to put the braids in, or it was maybe quicker because it's easier to put the braids in than take them out. I really like this hairstyle. The reason I'm taking it out so quickly is because once I took the pipe cleaners out, I didn't like that portion of the hairstyle as much. I can say that I had 3 parts that I liked. I liked when the braids were hanging down. I liked when I had the pipe cleaner curls, the pipe cleaners still in the braids. But once I took the pipe cleaners out, the hair was going wherever it wanted to go and I could not get it to cooperate with me. Now this I like a lot. I really do, because it looks good. It really looks good. And now I've found another braid back here. I'm going to take that one out. But I wanted you to see just how this hairstyle turned out. I really like it a lot. I would not make the braids smaller in order to I guess, appreciate the second stage more after I take out the pipe cleaners, because I think that I would like it better with smaller braids, but then I know I would pay for it in the end with having to take it out. It would take me quite a while, unless I had one of my granddaughters here to help me take it out. And that's not very often because they have their own lives. But this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. And I especially love God because He gives me peace in the midst of a storm. He gives me strength when I feel weak. Yes, and He comforts me when I need to be comforted. And I want you to understand that, apply that, and have a great day. Have a great day. Two minutes.